So guys, we got us a blowgun here today. It's a 40 cal. These are just regular arrows that came from, but it's not like a dog. But I have a ball that I know that tips. But we're gonna go squirrel hunt with them. These. If I hit it, hopefully it don't run. I'll face it down, shoot it again. But there's my trunk down screen. So you see that barrel right there? We got corn in it. I just put it out for the bit, but I don't know if they've ate them yet. That's cool, but it looks like they haven't ate none. I just put it out like 2 hours ago. I just got the house. There's my house, but yeah. Try to put a spot and stalk on these things, okay? So we're gonna take one of these darts right here. Watch. One of these darts right here. One of these darts. Now, stick it in like that. Make sure it clips. Push it back down to the bottom. And I have poison ivy because squirrel hunting might touch the tree, but who cares about that? But we're gonna spot and stalk these. Oh yeah, and tomorrow I'm gonna take off on my journey to check my 2 coon traps. Figured I might catch a squirrel, but who knows? Oh, here's a deer scrape that I've always been watching. I used to have a corn out there, but I tried to move it up. So I can see it. You ready? But I ain't shooting myself. Like, there's just one jumbo cane. I don't know if he comes down here, but he's on up the creek. Yeah, it's my little bitty creek there. Oh, our cane's in here. See? The little cane tracks right there. There's some little cane tracks, and there's one right there too. And right there. But a big cane lives down there. Let's see if I can see if he comes in here in this area. See the dark still in? Yeah. There's cane tracks. I ate early last night because it was sleeting out here earlier. But it hasn't decided to snow, so we might get some snow. Who knows? But yeah, this video is gonna upload today as soon as I get back into the house. I had a frog. I want to catch a frog. Or fish. I'm a little minnow. Wait, what's in there? Minnow? There's like a lot of stuff in there. Hey, look. Hey. Oh, they're in a fish. Look, y'all see him? Oh, there's one. I see one side. The only one I'm gonna shoot is there's this one minute. And he's like, I think it's a creep toad, but he's so long. He's like 7 inches long. It's a big old creep toad. So I came, oh, there's a cane tree. But there I had a crow in here and something ate it. I don't know what it was. But here's a crack cane. Because I went over there where a cane tree is, where they doing that. And there's a cane was eating a dead squirrel. And I shot. He was killing it. Creep, and I couldn't get him. Back up there. See those canes right? Look at that. It's a big cane. Oh yeah, and we're gonna make some deer hunting video. Holy crap. That's a big cane trap. Holy moly. Y'all see that? It's a big cane trap. It's pretty a big daddy cane. It's all down in this creek bottom right there. But all my traps are back yonder way up there. In my next video, I might take that over there. But, well, my next video is gonna be when we go trapping. Oh, when we go check. See, look here, canes. They are ate up down through here. Should have put one of my traps over here. That looks like coyote steel traps. That's one of my cane traps. And the other one's just a live trap. Oh, it's a piece of metal. Like canes. You know those little tiny birds that you can get like 5 feet away from? I'll find one of those and I'm gonna shoot it. Whew. I hear one. I see it. I see some. I see some, guys. Right there. Dancing around. I don't know how good y'all can see it. There's one up there. That girl's like right over there. So I'm gonna zoom out one. Now I'll set y'all up and try to kill it. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'll set y'all up this tripod. Trash. Recap, guys. That was a recap of me spot and stalking him. But I don't know how well y'all can see me. But yeah, I shot at one, but he got to. Well, it was like up high in the tree, and I shot right next to him. But they kept going on up towards the neighbor's property. There's a 300 house and do stuff. About stuff. Still I see what the blowgun. I'm trying to kill something. Okay. And I'm gonna show y'all when my cat has babies and when I get my new dog. Get the dog in the 14th of January. Ooh, coyote. A coyote track. We're gonna have to kill some of them. Coons. That's a fresh track too. Probably there last night. It's a small one. Either a red fox or it might have been a wildcat. I thought yesterday, as soon as this thing came in, this is supposed to be here till like 2024, like the 1st of January or something. Fucking sucks. But it came in yesterday. It was in Wisconsin. And then Georgia, so it takes about 16-hour drive, and it came in yesterday. Okay, good news. This place is loaded with coons. Hey, that's nasty blood. I got Crocs on. And if I get soaking wet, when I come back in to the house, I should go in the house. Yeah, I'm going to have to edit the video on my laptop so it doesn't look like 12 hours long. Oh, crow's over. It's always nice to see. Oh, a squirrel. I see a squirrel. Y'all see him, y'all see him, y'all see him. I know I got that on video. Oh, look at the camera. Watch this. Ooh, I think somebody. Gotta get a squirrel. Might not be that kind of footage on video of me doing it. I feel like I had to do it first. Oh. I'm not getting mid-paper. 3 cold hours. Where'd it go? I don't see it no more. I can't shoot it way up in the tree. I heard a hawk. Too bad you can't shoot things. Illegal. Okay guys, we're gonna start heading back. Oh, there's all the rabbit dogs. Wow. Oh, I don't have the handles in. Oh darn. If I had the handles in, I would have took it back home. Oh, thanks for everything. Oh, he's been trapping back here. It's very old. It's not new. But that's why we got these rabbits around here. So we can try to fix it. This is like public land right behind my house. Those creeks are public. It's not that big of a creek. Like our next door neighbor's creek. We live in a neighborhood. But I'll bow hunt. Well, I got these air rifles. So in Georgia, legally. Oh, my foot got all muddy there. Ew. And that creek is cold. It's like 30 degrees out here. I'm wearing Crocs with no socks. Ew. Okay, guys. I will edit the video if I see something on the way back. If I don't, coyote tracks from earlier. Here's There'll be a snake right there. All around it. Yeah, it was sweet and really good. I wish it would snow. There's a chance of snow this weekend. On New Year's. That's the best time. But the best time would have been on Christmas. But it was raining on Christmas. And it was too cold to snow. I mean, too hot to snow. It's like 50 degrees outside. Hey, get in your cage. Hey, get in your cage. Deer tracks. But I got some giant deer. I'll pop those pictures up on this camera. I'll pop them up in the video. They're gonna be about right there. They pop up. Oh, coyote. Okay guys, we're about at the end of the track. But watch how powerful this thing is. You see that tree? I'm gonna shoot it. This thing's way zoomed in. It's pretty far away. Right where I was aiming. Look guys, I'll show you when it actually hits the tree. You see that? See that start? It went right next to the tree now. And it's zoomed in, so it looks so far away. So close. Creek bottom. Oh yeah, and guys, you know Georgia, like Athens, Oglethorpe, like county, like Clark County, like Commerce, Georgia, or like Oconee, like Wilkes County. Message me, DM me, and in my bio I'll put my TikTok, Instagram. I mean my Instagram and Snapchat. Don't need to message me for anything. But hunting collabs, questions. There's some questions I can't answer. I might just ask my grandpa because he's really smart. Okay guys, it's very fun carrying that around trying to do something. But please go down there, like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and subscribe, like the video, share. Get all your friends to subscribe. You're country. Like me. Okay. Catch y'all guys on another video.